Very good evening. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm explaining the stored procedure in SQL. What is stored procedure and why it is used and what is the syntax of stored procedure with examples. All this we are going to discuss in today's class. First one is what is stored procedure. A stored procedure is a prepared SQL code that you can save so the code can be reused over and over again. So stored procedure means stored procedure is nothing but it is a prepared SQL code that we can save and it is used for uh, future application. So if you have an SQL query that you write over and over again, save it as a stored procedure and then just call it to execute it. So if we write code only once by stored it in a stored procedure, by simply recalling it, we can use it anywhere in our code. You can also pass parameters to a stored procedure so that the stored procedure can act based on the parameter value that is possible. So there is also a possibility to pass the parameter values to the stored procedure. If we based on that stored procedure, it acts stored procedure can act based on the parameter value, whatever we pass to the stored procedure. So we can dynamically change the parameters in the stored procedure. The syntax for stored procedure is create procedure name as SQL statement 4. So by this syntax, we can create a stored procedure. Execution of a stored procedure, execute procedure name. So this is a syntax of stored procedure and executing a stored procedure. Stored procedure example. Here we are creating a stored procedure called select all customer. For this, we are writing this by following syntax. Create procedure. The procedure name is select all customers as the SQL query is select from customer code. This is the stored procedure select all customers. For executing it, we use exe keyword. Exe, the procedure name is select all customer. If we run this query, we execute the stored procedure select all customer. So stored procedure with one parameter and stored procedure with multiple parameters. So till now we have discussed stored procedure without parameters. Now we are going to write the stored procedure with one parameter. The following SQL statement creates a stored procedure that selects a customer from a particular city from the customer table. Here we are passing the parameter by city. So for this procedure is create procedure. The procedure name is select all customer at the date and where thereof 30 as select star from customer where city equal to at the date city go. So at the date, if we pass the parameters to the stored procedure, we must mention its data type also. So it in SQL query also, we must mention where for which column we are passing the parameters. So for executing the stored procedures, we use execute, execute. The procedure name is select all customer exceeded city equal to line. So at the time of execution of stored procedure, we must pass the parameter value in execution process. So the next one is store correct by execution the stored procedure. We get all the customers in the London city. The stored procedure is multiple parameters. So there is nothing different between stored procedure with one parameter and multiple parameters. So the one stored procedure with multiple parameters is create procedure. The procedure name is select all customers. Exceeded city anywhere of 30 column At the rate of portfolio anywhere pair of 30 as selector from customer choose city equal to at the rate city and portfolio equal to at the rate portfolio growth. So in this stored procedure, we have passed the two parameters city and portfolio in the stored procedure. Select all the execution of the stored procedure is exe execute select. The procedure name is select all customer at the rate city equal to London, comma at the rate post code equal to W1 1 meter. By using this query, we get the all customer details in the London city with the port code WA1 1DG. This is about stored procedure and stored procedure with one parameters and multiple parameters. The exercise question is, what is the primary purpose of a stored procedure in SQL Server? So it is used to save reusable SQL code for repeated use. This is about stored procedure and its usage and the types of stored procedure and the password one parameter and multiple parameters in stored procedure. I hope this video helps you to understand more about stored procedure in SQL. Thank you.